We're using 1 can of chili. I'm using the Wendy's chili. I'm gonna go ahead and grab my Philadelphia cream cheese. I'm using the 1/3 less fat, and I softened this right in there with the chili. Our final ingredient for our dip is some medium cheddar cheese. You guys know I always use Tillamook, and we're gonna use about half of that bag right in there and save the other half for later. Go ahead and grab your spoon and mix these 3 ingredients together. And if it gives you any trouble, like if you didn't soften your cream cheese enough, you can just put this entire bowl in the microwave for like 30 seconds, which I think is what I'm gonna do right now. All right, we got that cheese a little bit melted. Now we can really get to the stirring. Now, like I mentioned, you can use whatever chili you like. I'm using the chili with beans, but obviously I know a lot of people like their chili without beans, but regardless, this dip is gonna be one for the books. It's so creamy and delicious, and look how quick that came together. Just those 3 ingredients all mixed together. But we are gonna make this a little bit fun. So once you have it looking fully mixed, we're gonna put that to the side. And we're gonna grab a French loaf that we've got from Smith's. Go ahead and grab your serrated knife, and we are gonna cut out the middle of our bread so that we can put our dip in there. All right, once we have that, we're gonna go ahead and rip that middle out just like so. And look, a beautiful bread bowl for our dip. Let's grab our dip and spoon it in there. Oh, this smells so good. Just be careful not to get it on the sides of the bread, only inside the bowl. Look how fun this is. This is such a great game day appetizer. Game day snack, so perfect for football, baseball, whatever sport you're watching. You gotta try this dip. Okay, we'll have some left over that we can fill the bread bowl up with after. Now I'm gonna go back in with that rest of the Tillamook cheese, and this is gonna go right on top, just like so. Kind of just pat it in there because we're gonna put this in the oven to really heat up all those things, because 30 seconds in the microwave is not enough. And we also want that cheese to just melt up. And the best part is you can just put the bread in the oven just like this. My oven is set to 350 and it's gonna be in there for 20 minutes. Just let that cheese get melted and gooey. Look at that beauty. Ooh, that cheese just looks perfectly browned. All right, this is optional, but I am gonna squeeze some sour cream on here. Just a nice little drizzle to make this look extra good. Ooh, she did not want to drizzle for me, but that's fine. And then my chip of choice is Fritos. I'm using the scoops for obvious reasons. Just put them right along our little bread bowl. Some over here. Doesn't need to be perfect because we're all eating it. Well, look at that. Woo! Beautiful. Better than everyone putting their dirty hands in the bag. Okay, let's go ahead and get some of this delicious dip. I'm just gonna go right in for it. Oh, okay. Guys, I'm gonna move over because I'm not gonna eat over the thing. That is the best dip ever. You guys have to try it. So good.